there, students. Welcome to BNC Academy, series of American English accent training. Ready to unlock your potential? Today, I'm diving into something super important: progress tracking and goal setting. Yep, it's Module 13, and we're hitting Lesson 13.1 first, tracking your progress. Let's get started. So why track your progress? Well, think of it like this. If you don't know where you're going, how will you know when you get there? Tracking your progress gives you a clear picture of what you've accomplished and what's left to tackle. Plus, it's a great motivator. When you see how far you've come, you'll be more pumped to go the extra mile. First up, let's talk tools and resources. One of my favorites is a good old-fashioned planner. Write down your daily tasks, deadlines, and milestones. Seeing everything laid out can make a huge difference. Another great tool is digital apps like Notion or Trello. These apps let you organize tasks, set reminders, and track your progress all in one place. But hey, don't forget about spreadsheets. They might seem boring, but they're actually super powerful. You can create detailed charts and graphs to visualize your progress over time. Trust me, having a visual representation of your progress can be incredibly satisfying. All right, on to Lesson 13.2, setting goals for improvement. Setting goals is not just about saying, I want to get an A in math. It's about creating actionable steps to get there. Let's break it down. First, set clear and specific goals. Instead of saying, I want to study more, say, I will study for 1 hour every day after school. The more specific, the better. Next, make sure your goals are measurable. If you can't measure it, how will you know if you've achieved it? Use benchmarks like grades, hours spent studying, or even chapters read. Now your goals should also be attainable. It's great to aim high, but setting unrealistic goals can lead to burnout and disappointment. Be honest with yourself about what you can achieve in a given time frame. Another key point, your goals should be relevant. Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? If it aligns with your bigger picture, you're more likely to stay committed. And finally, time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. Whether it's a week, a month, or a semester, having a time frame creates a sense of urgency and keeps you on track. All right, let's recap. For tracking progress, grab a planner, download an app, or fire up a spreadsheet. For setting goals, remember to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Now it's your turn. Take these tips and start applying them today. Track your progress, set those goals, and unlock your potential. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you crush it in school. See you next time.